So it's baler Wednesday. This baler has just come in. It was brought out of a sale. I didn't go to the sale, and it's come in. I think it's done 22,000 bales. There's a few things we picked up on which will be done before it's sold. It wants a new PTO guard. There's some tensioners that have, there's that's broke. Tensioner broke there and it's popped out from the chain. Pickup wheel, one side bent really badly, so we've got to straighten that out. There's a bearing gone on the bottom roller, which we just noticed. We're going to do that. Yeah, you can see it. So someone obviously just chucked it in the cell and didn't really do, yeah. But that's my fault for not going to the cell to look at it. I'm going to have to start doing that because it's costing me. But it runs up alright. Yeah, that was really slack. That one, tighten out that. What else? I don't know what else, but yeah, generally we'll go through it, just do the things that need doing. I think it's 2014. It's got a chopper on it as well, I think. I'm not really a baler person, but we'll probably do a video of it working as well if someone wants to see it working. There's a control box. Don't know how to use it really. Sean, how do you find the bale count? Do you not know? Oh, I don't know, but it was sold at 22,000 bales on it, I think. But anyway.